So guys, here I am, and this is an unboxing video. You might notice that the background's a bit weird, but that's because I've got a green screen behind me. This year has been less than kind to all of us, and I decided to be kind to myself, save up some money, and splurge on a little bit of a treat. As you know, my channel over here deals with cooking, baking, and writing. I decided to treat myself, and I saved up a little bit of money, and I got myself some things small from Goulet Pens. And I would have loved to get this from Lai at Pen Gallery in Petaling Jaya, KL, Malaysia. The only thing is, unfortunately, I think due to the restrictions in travel and whatnot, they've been unable to ship it out to him. So I did the next best thing, which is to get it from Goulet Pens, who are great. Unfortunately, postage can be a little but they do get it to you in from FedEx, so it comes really quickly. But in actual fact, the pens themselves are just a little bit more expensive, not too much more. But let's get on with it. My unboxing video of Goulet Pens, of 2 pens and a notebook. Hopefully it's all here. I haven't even cut into it yet. Let's check it out. Here it is, my box from Goulet Pens. Let's see, how do I cut into this? Now let's just, I feel like a kid with a huge present. Hi all. I think for this thought of the day, for this particular video, I thought it's actually quite relevant to bring up the fact that this is the perfect time to be kind to yourself. I've pretty much spent my entire life being really hard on myself, to the point where sometimes I don't even bother to get up and do, because I think I'm gonna fail, or my brain tells me I'm gonna fail at this, so I don't. And I found that that's really been a habit that's been inculcated by my brain telling me what to do, or at least my experiences informing my brain, my mind, so it tells me that. So nowadays, when my mind tells me, no, that's wrong, and you're a great failure, and you're horrible, I tell it to shut up. And in the same way, I also try and be a little kinder to myself. So when I want to go spend some money, for example, like on some fountain pens, I do it, and not worry too much about, oh my god, I just spent so much money, I can't afford it. Look, money is there to be made, so you can always make it back. So my takeaway from today, my thought of the day is, be kind to yourself. And if you find a little retail therapy is going to help you manage things over this period, do it. It's only money. But having said that, work hard at getting it back. So anyway, that's my thought of the day. Back to the unboxing video. Okay, here we go. Oh my god, and I love this. I packed your order with a slightly ridiculous amount of care to make sure that the writing product you love would arrive safely today. I'd love to hear what you think about how I've done at www.gouletpens.com/packing. Thank you, Anita. I mean, yeah, baby. Oh, okay. There you go. Can you see that? hopefully you can. Yeah. I love the personal touches they have. Oh my god, it's stickers! Yay! And this little notebook. Oh my god, it's a lot more pages than I thought. It's a Clairefontaine and it's a dot grid. And that is exactly... If you didn't know already, I've got a thing for notebooks. I've got notebooks galore. I've got so many notebooks. I haven't even used them yet. But at the end of the day... Oh, this was given to me as a present from Sky Bambi on Instagram, and she's a scrapbooker, and look at that. Okay, and I haven't used this one either. I'm thinking of maybe pairing this with a whole series of YouTube videos for baking. So yeah, there you go. That's one of the ones I had at hand. This Clairefontaine one is gorgeous, and it wasn't hugely expensive. I think it was $9 US. Well, I mean, you could get one for a couple of ringgit, but the paper Clairefontaine is brilliant. Same company makes the Rhodia papers, which I also love. And they do really, really good paper because it doesn't bleed. So here we go. The unboxing. I got 2 pilots. So let's do this one first. Now, this is one that you're not going to see very often. This is a Pilot Metropolitan. In many ways, this is actually a starter pen for many people. But the difference with this one is that it's a Stub Nib. Now, I've been wanting to get this one for a couple of years now, but I don't know if you can see this, but here we go. Let me see if I can do that for you. Can I get closer? Will it focus? Looks like it's focusing. I think that's about it. But basically, that's a Stub Nib. I'll take a few pictures of it later. And I love the color. This one's actually not hugely expensive. It's probably, you could probably get it in KL for about 80 or 90 ringgit. They used to be a lot cheaper, but then our currency became, well, Malaysians know. So yes, so there it is. It comes in a lovely box. I think the covering is, this top clear part here is basically plastic. It's not glass, but it comes and it's held in a foam cradle, which it fits snugly into so it doesn't run around. Comes with a cartridge. Oh yes, I'm not quite sure if it comes with a converter. I wonder if it does. Let's have a look. Oh, it does! It comes with the squeeze converter. That's amazing. Wow! I am so happy! Whoa, where is it? Okay, there you go. Can you see that? Squeeze, squeeze. So this is old school. I didn't know that they made it still. I remember my dad's pens, actually my grandfather's pens, had these. The Parker 51s had these squeeze bags. So you squeeze it and it sucks up the ink. This one is the piece de resistance. This is a Pilot Vanishing point. Now, for those of you who know about fountain pens, you'll know that this is probably one of the best value pens around. It's actually a matte black, but it's a stub matte black. Now, this is something you don't get in Malaysia very often. Beautiful box. Well, okay, not up to the standard of their Namiki cousins, which is what some of these pens are actually sold as Namikis. But it is well constructed. It's perfect for a gift, and this is a matte black. Maybe I'll do a black pen thing one day, but here it is. Now this is like the Lamy Dialogue 3 in that, ooh, Where are you now? In that. Oh, there you go. Look at that. So it clicks. Where are you now? Okay, there you go. It clicks like a ballpoint. It's such good value. Why? Because that nib is an 18 karat gold nib. I believe this one, because it's a matte black, it has been anodized black, but it is an 18 karat gold nib. I can't wait to write with it. So that's my next little thing. And well packed Goulet pens. Any more? Oh my God! A lollipop! They gave a lollipop. It's a Tootsie Pop. It's a Tootsie Roll? Tootsie Pop, yes! Tootsie Pops. In the US, Tootsie Rolls are huge. I think they've got like chocolate around them and then some white stuff in the middle. But basically, favorite of trick-or-treat Halloween candies. So quite appropriate. Thanks, Goulet Pens. Well, that's the end of my unboxing video. Box is really, really sturdy. I'm gonna keep it. I don't know how many boxes I've got, but anyway, I'm gonna keep it. And thank you so much. Oh, hey, you're still here. Well, don't forget to click subscribe to my channel, hit the like button for the video, and click notify to get notified for any new videos that come up. Thanks for watching Nigel's Joys. Come find your joys with me next time. Bye.